Hello everyone, I'm Shweta Verma and you're watching Indian Masterminds, the platform where we bring you real stories of India's changemakers. When a state faces challenges as diverse as tribal welfare, industrial nexus issues, and environmental protection, it needs more than just administration. It needs vision that is powered by technology, shaped by experience, and rooted in public welfare. And that's exactly where Chhattisgarh gets with its new Chief Secretary, Vikas Sheel. After years of contributing at national and global platform, he has returned to lead his state cadre. His mission? Governance that is efficient, data-driven, and human-centric. Born on 10 June 1969 in Uttar Pradesh, Vikas Sheel grew up in a family that believed in honesty, education, and service. He earned his electrical engineering degree from BITS Pilani and later went to study public administration and health service management at Syracuse University, USA. Even early in his life, one thing was clear. He wanted to use his knowledge for public good. In the year 1994, Vikas Sheel joined the Indian Administrative Service. When Chhattisgarh was carved out in the year 2000, he chose to move to the new state, ready to help to build it from scratch. As District Collector of Raipur and Bilaspur, he focused on healthcare, education and welfare. Those years in fact shaped a leadership style that was firm yet empathetic, result-driven yet people-focused. As he moved into the State Secretariat, he led reforms in finance planning and rural development. His governance formula was very clear. Technology to solve problems, strong systems instead of temporary fixes, policies that deliver results at the village level, land digitization, e-governance and monitoring system saw major strengthening during his tenure. In the year 2018, in fact, he joined the Government of India as Additional Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, right before one of the biggest health emergencies in modern history. His role became crucial in national coordination, campaigns and health system strengthening. Soon, he became Mission Director of Jal Jeevan Mission, one of independent India's most ambitious programs, tap water for every rural household. Under his leadership, community participation increased, data tracking system became stronger, water became conservation about health, nutrition and dignity. Today, Jal Jeevan Mission stands as one of the India's most impactful development programs, and his contribution remains central. In the year 2024, Vikas Sheel joined the Asian Development Bank Manila, overseeing international development, financing and climate resilient projects across nations. But in 2025, the call of duty came again and he returned to serve Chhattisgarh as Chief Secretary. Across every responsibility, one pattern defined him: technology-enabled governance, transparency and ethics, community-driven development, measurable outcomes, institutions that outlast individuals with priorities like tribal welfare, industrial growth, environmental protection, and internal security. His global experience and grounded leadership are expected to shape new directions for Chhattisgarh. From district headquarters to India's biggest policy missions to global development boards, one mission has remained unchanged: governance that improves lives. And today, as Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh, Vikas Sheel stands not just as an administrator, but as a leader who brings global vision, technical clarity, and human compassion together for the state's next chapter. Thank you for watching Indian Masterminds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such inspiring stories of India's real change makers. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious.